ibabalik ang ball number 6 o pumasama muli para sa pagpili natin second winning number. Para sa second winning number, timer ready.
Timer ready.
Our second winning number is 29. Ball number 29. Our official winning combination for today, January 27, 2026, 7 p.m. blue is 6 and 29. Sa Ace at 29. Magpipirma naman po ating panel of judges para sa ating official draw results.
Official draw result as of January 27, 2026, 7 p.m. draw with